Okay, let's recap real quick. So Sammy is bored. He's just been going to all his friends' houses saying, I'm bored. He went over here to, what's this friend's name? Pokey. And Pokey was just laying in the hammock, having a good time. But Sammy didn't like that. He was bored. Then Sammy went over here to see what Lily was doing, and Lily was painting, and he was like, ugh, that's boring. And then he went over here to Goob's house, and Goob's got a magnifying glass looking for ants, and he's like, ugh, I don't want to do that. Then he comes over here to Jumper's house. Jumper's outside playing basketball, and Sammy's still like, ugh. I mean, those all sound like great things to keep you from being bored to me. Painting, looking at bugs with magnifying glass, basketball, all fun things. So let's continue and see what happens. So Allie's granny was painting the front porch. Hi, Granny, said Sammy. Where's Tagalong Allie? She's in bed with a sore throat, said Granny. Bummer, said Sammy. He paused. I'm bored. Do you want to play? Allie's granny laughed. Can't, Sammy Squirrel. I'm busy. No one will help me have fun, complained Sammy. I'm so bored. Well, isn't that your fault? Said Allie's granny. You're in charge of having fun, not somebody else. Let's think about that for a minute. So Allie's granny is telling him, whose fault is it that you're bored, Sammy? We're all in charge of ourselves, right? So if I'm sitting here just, I'm bored, that's my own fault. What do you mean? Asked Sammy. I mean, you can make your own fun. You don't need others to make it happen. Just look around and think about it. You'll find something fun to do. Sammy looked around. He saw clouds. He saw trees. He saw 3 garbage cans lined up against the house. One had an old radio on top of it, with wires sticking out in all directions. Whoa. Suddenly, Sammy's brain lit up like a flashlight. Do you want that old radio anymore? He asked Allie's granny. Nope, she said. It's broken. That's why I threw it away. Can I have it? Asked Sammy. I love radios. Why, sure, said Allie's granny. Sammy picked up the radio and carried it home and set it down on the floor of his room. Then he got started. It took him a few hours to get the radio to work again, but by lunchtime it was fixed. He tied some ribbons around it and pasted stars all over it. Then he carried the radio back to Tagalong Allie's house. So now he has spent all morning fixing this radio. What do we have here? Asked Allie's granny. A get-well present for Allie, said Sammy. I fixed it so she can listen to the radio while she's getting over her sore throat. I'm not bored anymore. I finally figured out how to make my own fun. Great, said Allie's granny. Let's go inside and show Allie. When Allie saw the radio, she broke into a smile as wide as a slice of cantaloupe. I love the ribbons, she said. So, what did Allie's granny teach Sammy about having fun? Is it anyone else's job to make sure you're having fun? No, you're in charge of yourself. So the next time you just think, oh, I'm so bored, you should start thinking of nice things you can do for other people. And that will end the boredom. You'll be feeling so good about yourself. So let's go back right here to habit number 1. Be proactive. You're in charge. So proactive just means that before you even get bored, you're going to think of fun things that you love to do. Or think of things that you can do just to pass the time. Think ahead. That's called being proactive. So you're going to think about all the fun things that you want to do, and then you won't ever get bored. So let's look right here in our story. Sorry. And this gives us some pointers about being proactive. It says, I can't count how many times kids have whined. We're so bored. There's nothing to do. As if their boredom was somehow my fault. I'll respond with something like, so what are you going to do about it? So in this story, Sammy tries to blame everyone else, his mom, his friends, life in general, for his boredom. He wants someone to fix his problem and to help him have fun. After talking with Allie's granny, he finally figures out that he's in charge of making his own fun. So we're all in charge of making our own fun. It's nobody else's fault if we get bored. That's called being proactive. You're in charge. So just think about that and remember the next time you're just sitting around like, I'm bored, there's nothing to do. That's nobody's fault but your own. Think of things you like to do. Like he loved to tinker with the radio. So he realized, wow, I'm going to fix this radio. And that kept him busy all morning working on that radio. Just think about fun things you like to do. I bet a lot of y'all love to play basketball. So when you get bored, go outside. Throw the ball in the air. Play basketball. Go to the park. Some of y'all love science and bugs. When you get bored, go outside. Look for bugs. There's a lot of cool bugs outside. There's a lot of things you can do when you get bored. You can paint. You can color. You can clean your bedroom. That's a great thing to do when you're bored. But it's your job to make sure you're not bored and to make sure that you are being proactive. You're in charge. Remember that. Habit number 1. Be proactive. You're in charge. So now I want you to click to the next slide. There's one more question that I want you to answer. Click to the next slide, and I just want you to tell me what you're going to do the next time you're feeling bored. Tell me the things you like to do when you're bored. So the next time you're sitting there saying, oh, I'm so bored, I want you to click to the next slide and tell me what you're going to do when you're bored. So tomorrow when I'm at home and I don't have school and I don't get to make videos for you guys, I'm going to be sitting around going, oh, I'm so bored. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to get my favorite book and I'm going to start reading because I love to read. And then I won't be bored. So you click to the next slide and you tell me what you're going to do the next time you're bored. I can't wait to read what you're going to be doing the next time you're bored.